What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Here we have NYAX. This is Nayax Ltd. Sitting a price for around $25.80. I do see this thing today actually just the first. Oh, actually, nah. Well, this is the weekly chart. Well, on the daily chart, we have two candles, so therefore, there has been only trading on TradingView for 2 days. Now, in this chart analysis, we're not going to work with a lot of data because there is not that much data on the chart. But from what I can see is we got a clean break right here, like that to the downside on off of the 1 hour time frame. Then we can come to the like the four. The this is the what the 10 minute. Okay, right. We broke the structure here. And what's more likely than not going to happen? We're going to continue to break lower from these points like that. This is going to be my opinion. Otherwise, if we continue to actually break like this above this high, if we continue to actually break like this, we could be still delivering lower from here, but if it starts coming here, more like than not, just going to break the highs. But this is just my opinion right now, not financial.